The first topic is Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller in area than the state of Haryana. It has border with France, the Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. It has a population of a little over 1 crore, about half of the population in Haryana. So we can say that the population of Belgium was half of the population which was present in Haryana in our country India. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region and speak Dutch language. Underline this part, it is very important. Another 40% people live in the Wallonia region and speak French. Underline this line also. Remaining 1% of the Belgian speak German. In the capital, that is Brussels, 80% people speak French while 20% are Dutch speaking. So we can say that a small country like Belgium was divided according to the language they speak. Okay, so in this picture you can clearly see how the communities and region of Belgium were divided according to the language they speak. Just like this portion, there is French speaking community, and this portion Dutch speaking community is there. The shaded one is the German speaking community, and this portion is the Brussels, that means the capital of Belgium. The minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. The French speaking community were very small in number, and they were very rich and they have more powerful, or you can say they are more powerful as compared to the Dutch speaking community. This was resented by the Dutch speaking community, who got the benefit of economic development and education much later. These lead to tension between the Dutch speaking community and the French speaking communities during the 1950s and 1960s. So this is the first reason why there was a conflict between the Dutch speaking and the French speaking. And what was the reason? That the French were very small in number, and they were given more important and they were more rich as compared to the Dutch speaking community in Belgium. The tension between the two communities were more acute in Brussels. Brussels presented a specific problem. The Dutch speaking people constituted a majority in country but a minority in a capital, which means that Dutch speaking community were large in number, okay, in the country, but French speaking community were given more important as compared to the Dutch speaking community, because they were very rich and they have, or you can say they were more powerful as compared to the Dutch speaking community. So this is the first reason, or you can say the only reason why there was a conflict between Dutch speaking community and French speaking community in the Belgium.